Advanced Taxation exam is getting updated from June 2023 attempt. There are three changes which are being introduced in the paper and course structure. First is the updation of Finance Act. Second is increase in professional marks. And third is the change in paper structure itself. Let's discuss all of them and then we'll talk that how my updated course structure will be able to cover it. The Finance Act is getting updated from June 2023 attempt. But this is nothing new. This happens every year in June attempt that the tax rates and the tax year gets updated from June attempt. Second change is increase in professional marks. Earlier, there used to be 4 professional marks in Advanced Taxation exam. From June attempt, they will be increased to 20 professional marks. Now, this means that from June 2023 attempt, you will have 80 marks on taxation issues and 20 marks for attempting them professionally. The examiner has stated that the student will be attempting only 80 marks, but I will give him 100 marks if he has attempted those 80 marks in a professional manner. Now, what is professional manner? Using good communication skill, analyzing and evaluating the requirements in better manner, and making sure that you complete the whole paper in a presentable manner. Now, with the increase of professional marks, you people will be able to manage your time in a better manner. Earlier, there used to be 100 marks requirements in the Advanced Taxation exam, and you used to have 3 hours and 15 minutes to attempt them, which means 1.95 minutes per mark. But now, there will be 80 marks requirements which you will be attempting. But if you attempt them in professional manner, you will get 100 marks. This means that now you will have 2.4 minutes per mark in the examination. This will help you to improve your time management. Third change which is being introduced in the Advanced Taxation exam is reduction in number of questions. There used to be 4 questions in Advanced Taxation exam earlier. Now there will be 3 exams in Advanced Taxation. Question number 1 of 50 marks, question 2 of 25 marks, and question 3 of 25 marks. In question number 1 of 50 marks, there will be 40 marks requirements relating to taxation. And 10 extra marks will be awarded if you attempt those requirements in professional manner. In question 2 and 3, there will be 20 marks of requirements for taxation in each of them and 5 marks for attempting the requirements in professional manner. With the reduction in number of questions, your time management skill will improve more. Now the question is that, sir, how your study package will make sure that we get maximum professional marks? See, as you all know that in my study package, along with the lectures, I also provide marking and feedback facility. I mark the assignments and mock exams of the students, which help them to identify their errors in drafting and developing the answer. This thing will be very much important from June 2023 attempt. Because now it will not be attempting in right or wrong manner. Now it will be attempting in a professional or unprofessional manner. Because your 20 marks relate to attempting your answer in a professional manner. If you have any query relating to Advanced Taxation, feel free to ask me on my WhatsApp number which is appearing on the screen. Thank you everyone. सही बनी है।